Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Halloween filter on TikTok. So this is the filter. Okay, to get this effect, go to effects gallery and probably you will see this in trending section. This is a trending filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect from trending section, then what you can do, go to discover and here search for Horrify. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see try this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Likewise, okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from discover, then what you can do, go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and open it with TikTok. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this Halloween filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.